Do you find double-digit multiplication challenging? This video is for you. Before we dive in, take into consideration the number 4,723. 3 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, 7 is in the hundreds place, and 4 is in the thousands place. Now it's time to dive in. Take for example 34 times 26. The first thing we're going to do is rewrite the problem in this format. And for explanation purposes, we're going to refer to this number as the top number and this number as the bottom number. Step number 1. Use the digit in the ones place of the bottom number, and in this case it is 6, to multiply the digit in the ones place of the top number. 6 times 4 gives us 24. Now, since this number is greater than 9, we have to regroup the number that's in the tens place, and in this case it's 2. So what we're going to do is write down our 4 and we're going to regroup 2. So this technique is known as regrouping. Step 2. We're going to use the digit in the ones place of the bottom number, which we have already established that it is 6, to multiply the digit in the tens place of the top number. And that number is 3. And after we multiply, we're going to add the number that we regrouped. And we regrouped 2. Now let's do this. So what we're going to have is 6 times 3 plus 2. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 equals 20. So we are going to write 20 here. For step 3, we're going to add a placeholder, and we use 0 for the placeholder. We are going to cross out the number that we regrouped so that we don't get confused in the next step. Step 4. Use the digit in the tens place of the bottom number, and in this case it's 2, to multiply the digit in the ones place of the top number. So this is what we're going to have. 2 times 4 equals 8. So we are going to write down our 8. Step number 5. Use the digit in the tens place of the bottom number to multiply the digit in the tens place of the top number. So this leaves us with 3 times 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. So we're going to put our 6. So these two numbers are referred to as partial products. So we are going to add these two partial products. So this is our answer, 884. Perfect. You are now equipped with the knowledge to solve double-digit multiplication. For practice problems, watch my YouTube shorts. See you in the next lesson. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.